Good morning, guys. Welcome back from the actually we call it a short break. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going straight away to look at the PowerPoint. How are we going to do about PowerPoint? How are we going to actually write things on PowerPoint? How are we going to actually uh, do presentation on PowerPoint? Ladies and gentlemen, in the first place, uh, this is your cursor. You can roll your cursor like this to show that your hand is what is touching the pad. Here you come to what? You come to search. If you have seen like your whatever your PowerPoint app is not actually reflected on the what um, on the computer on your PC. Here you go to search. You write there what PowerPoint. You write there PowerPoint will automatically show. This is what you open. When you open your PowerPoint like this, it will show for you letters ranging from maybe some letters are written in A, another one actually capital A and what and small a. Here you come to what you can select any page you want here. There is blank presentation, there is Berlin, Atlas, Banded, Basis, Celestial, Circuit, that's mark. Here I prefer blank presentation. Yeah, because we are learning. I'm not teaching the PhD guys, but we are just learning. That's why we are trying to use what blank what presentation. You tap there. After you tapping there, it will show you what click to title. Here now you put your title. You write maybe we are learning about what reproduction. You first go to your caps. You capitalize the first letter, or maybe your title you capitalize it. You say what reproduction. Reproduction. Make sure both hands of yours are what are writing. Reproduction. Then here you go to what? You go to new slide. Maybe you want another one. Then click here. Definition. Go to caps. Maybe do like this. Say definition. Go to definition. Definition of what? Of reproduction. Definition of what? Reproduction. Definition of what? Reproduction. In other words. Then here you again go to what? You go to a new slide. Because you now want what? You want to present. Then here now you say reproduction. Of course, in your sentence, you first begin with the what? With the capital letter. So go to capital, you say reproduction. Reproduction. Refers to the what? To the mating. Refers to the mating of two different sex organisms to produce to produce fertile offsprings of what? Offsprings. Then you put your full stop. Then after that, you go back to your what? You go back to your new slide. Because you want actually to elaborate more about reproduction. There now you put your caps lock, because you want to capitalize it as what? As small capital, as small whatever. You say types of reproduction. Types of reproduction. Types of reproduction. Then you go back to your what? You go back to your new slide. Here you say sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Then you go to a sexual reproduction. Go to sexual reproduction. Then you can go as far as elaborating more about the sexual and what? And asexual reproduction. Here now, there are very many things that you can do actually to design your what? To design your notes, design your layout, what and so forth. Here now you can go to insert. Here you can put a picture, you can do what? You can do a screenshot, the shapes, what and so forth. Here now you can also come to design. Design, you can maybe put that one, letters. You can put that one. You can also use this one, depending on which one you want. You can still also put this one. You can use this one, depending on the style you want to use. You can still also do that one. You can still do that one. You can use this one also, depending on the one what you like. Like me personally, I can decide to use maybe this one. Then after that, I go to what? Transitions. After transitions here, you can now put push, wipe, what, split. There are very many things here. You see, you can reveal. You see your notes moving like that because you're presenting. You can put random bars, like that. You can still put in form of a shape. You can put, you can uncover. You can do what? Now here you go to what? You maybe not to what? The animations. Animations you can put any floating, split, wipe, shape, and you can select any here. Then slideshow, you can also put that one. Record slideshow, research, what and so forth. Record, rehearse, timings. Then yeah, now after you finishing all those things, you now come to what? You come to file, because you want to save your what? Of course you cannot leave your work just like that. You come to what? You come to here. It will show you save as. You can put now here as what? As desktop. Then here now you can write. You are saving it as what? Reproduction, which is okay. Which is okay for our case. You can put it as reproduction. Then we save it. Then your work is what? Saved. Guys, I would like to urge you that these computers have actually helped us in very many ways. I would like us to impose much of our time, to put much of our emphasis on computers, because computers, the world is now actually computerized. So members, I would like to stop here. Please be liking my videos, subscribe, share, and don't forget to actually use computers in your daily life, because they are the openers of everything. Thank you.